welcome to my channel. For anybody who's returning, thank you so much for coming back. And for anybody who's new here, hi, my name is Izzy. Now today's video is super exciting because I finally have the Dyson Airwrap in the 20mm long barrels. And I'm going to show you how to create this beachy look with these 20mm barrels. So today's video also, I'm excited to say, is a video that I'm doing in collaboration with another YouTuber. Her name is Belinda Chapman. I'm going to link her video down below in the description box so that you can go there. Belinda's also gone and got the 20mm long barrels, but she has a lot longer hair than I do. So if you want to see what the 20mm barrels look like on a longer hair, please go down below. So basically on Belinda's channel, she loves everything to do with health, beauty, fitness, and you will find product reviews, hauls, empties, videos, get ready with me vlogs. Thank you so much to Belinda for collaborating with me on this video, and yeah, we'll get straight into it, guys. Now today's video, I am very excited to bring to you the Dyson 20mm or 0.8 inch for any of my American viewers, long barreled barrels. Long barreled barrels. Now, just so that you can see how skinny they are in comparison, you've got your, these are all the long barrels, your 30mm, your 40mm, and then your 20mm, so you can see quite a lot skinnier. Now I've played around with it quite a bit, and for me, I actually think that this is a little bit too skinny to use it in a conventional Airwrap way. So for today's video, I thought we'll do beach waves with the Dyson Airwrap. So I've already part dried my hair, and I'm just going to section it. Now there is one section of my hair that I will use the Airwrap in the conventional way, and it's just that first lower section. Just because it is quite a bit shorter than the rest of my hair, I just find it easier to use it in the normal way. So I'm just going to, I've done it again, I'm wearing a polo neck again when I'm doing a hair video. This is, I don't think about my outfit choices and what's going to be best. So I'm just checking in the mirror to see that I've got the right barrel on. And what I want to do is when I'm looking in the mirror, I want the arrow to go outwards. So it's the reflection that you see in the mirror. When you actually have the Dyson and you're looking at it, the arrow's the other way. So you just want to be aware of that. So I'm just going to do it in the conventional way, and you'll see how tight these curls go and why it's maybe not quite right for me. It will probably grab at other hair as well. That doesn't really matter. For me at the minute, it's easier. Can you see how tiny that curl is? If it was longer, it wouldn't be as bad, but yeah, I'm just not that keen. And then just change the barrel over for the other side. So that's done that bottom layer. Oh, and just so you guys know, I don't actually have any product in my hair. I've literally just washed my hair with shampoo and conditioner. When you're doing a beach wave, what you want to do is look in the mirror for your arrow. So I want my arrow pointing outwards whilst it's in that down position. So you're not doing it that way, you're having it that way. So you want it pointing out when you're looking in the mirror at the down position. Now I've dried my hair a little bit more than normal, and then you're just going to hold that bottom section. So you do have to hold it a little bit longer. I kind of waft it a bit in the air so that the ends are also drying. So again, just take out the bit that you want to work with, and then I just section that bit off again just to keep it out the way. Flip the hair that I've done at the back and wrap it round. You might find that your hand, like your fingers where you're holding it down the bottom here, gets a little bit warm. Just take it out away from where the airflow is coming and you should be fine. If you're worried that the root isn't quite dry, you can just go along like that, the root, before you go in and wrap, if you feel like that particular section is still a bit wet, but I've let my hair get a little bit more dry than what I normally would with the Airwrap. Because if you don't get it properly dry, the curl isn't going to hold. So you can see you've got those nice beach waves, and then you just want to change your barrel to do the other side. You guys always feel like you've got more hair on one side than the other, because I do. I feel like I need to give my poor little arm a break. Oof. Try and get as much of my fringe in this again as I can, but just want to gently pop my hands through it, because I don't want to brush it out too much. I'm just going to tuck that bit of fringe under there. But yeah, it just creates a really nice soft beachy wave that's just, yeah, I love it. I love it. I like using the 20mm in this way, but using it, as I say, for a normal curl is a little bit too much. But yeah, I really hope that this video was helpful to you guys if you're considering getting the 20mm Airwrap barrel. I just like it for a beach wave. I think it just makes a really nice, funky, voluminous style. I almost think it makes my hair look longer, actually. But yeah, that's it from me for today, guys. I really hope that the video was helpful to you. Please make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of my content. And share this video with your friends as well if you think that it's worth sharing. Don't forget, I upload every Tuesday and Saturday. I forgot. Don't forget that I upload every Tuesday and Saturday. So I'll see you guys again really, really soon. Have a lovely weekend, guys. Bye.